Now let's see this question. They are saying that 4 jobs P1, P2 and P3 are arriving in the ready queue at the same time in this order, which means in the queue they are presented P1, P2, P3 as before in that order. And now if the burst time requirement of these jobs, which means for P1 it is 4, P2 it is 1, P3 it is 8 and P4 it is 1. If these are the burst times, then what is the completion time of P1 assuming round robin with time quantum equal to 1. So now if I apply round robin with time quantum equal to 1 for these 4 jobs, then what is the they're asking what is the completion time for P1. Let's just see this. P1, P2, P3, P4, they are the 4 processes, and if you see the burst times, it is 4, 1, 8, 1. These are the burst times, right? And the time quantum is 1, right? So how are they present in the queue? They are present in the queue like this: P1, P2, P3, P4. So I'll just write the Gantt chart, and remember that we have this let's say we are all starting from 0. They are all available at 0. We are going to execute every process for only one unit of time, because the time quantum is given as 1. So P1 will be scheduled first, and then it will run till 1 unit, and now its remaining time will be 3. So should I put it back? Yes, because it needs more time, P1, right? And next one is P2 will be chosen, and P2 will run for 1 unit, which means till 2, right? And its remaining burst time will be 0. So should I put it back? No need, because it is finished, right? And P3 will be chosen, P3, and it will run for 1 unit, and its new burst time will be 7. So should I put it back? Yes, because it needs even 7 more units. And next one chosen will be P4, and it will run for 1 unit, right? Therefore it is done. I need not put it back. Now I have only P1 and P3, right? Now next one chosen will be P1 here, and it will run till 5, and therefore its remaining time is 2. Should I put it back? Yes, because it requires 2 more. And next one that will be executed is P3. It will run till 6, therefore it will become 6. And then should I put it back? Yes, P3 will be there. And next one that will be chosen is P1, and it will run till 7, right? Until 7, therefore it will be 1. And should I put it back? Yes, I need to put it back, because we require 1 more unit, right? And next one that will be chosen will be P3, and P3 will run for 1 unit till 8, therefore the remaining time is 5. Should I put it back? Yes. And next one that will be chosen will be P1, right? And P1 will run for 1 unit, and therefore it is going to complete there. And should I put it back? No need. Therefore next one finally P3 is going to execute for its completion. So I mean not it is, because since it is only one, it can run for its completion, which means till 14 it can run complete. So anyway, the completion time for P1 is 9. Got it? So that is what the completion time is.